helped me to go through certain training and placement sessions, which made me to more concentrate on my career, and also frequently attending these sessions done by our most perfect trainings have made me more well trained. So I have been placed recently within this month.